Hey there, subscribe to me.
Oh my god. Okay, turn around. Oh my god.
You need to calm down.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I think that's actually perfect. So do you want to say something? Oh my god.
What am I supposed to say? Hey there, subscribe to me.
So-
Richie Andrews.
Yeah. I attempted to bleach his hair and, well, splat bleach sucks, apparently. So we got this mess, but
It's amazing.
how are you feeling about it?
Excited.
Are you excited for green hair?
I am.
You excited for your Joker moment?
I am.
Okay. Does this look good for you? So we got green.
As long as it's green, I don't care.
So that, and yeah, so I'm gonna dye his hair green.
10 out of 10. Great director. Just don't get any on my neck.
I got you something.
No going back now.
Hello.
It's a terrifying thought.
I'm not a professional. Let me just state that.
Really. How much do they charge at hair salons to dye your hair?
Hundreds of dollars.
Okay, never mind.
Like, it depends on where you go, but
What about if I went
crazy.
Mark Anthony design?
I don't know.
Ooh, that's cold.
Yep.
Oh,
I've never
no.
had my hair professionally dyed, so I don't know. I just know that.
Yeah, because you use my bleach. Exactly. And you're gonna like the screen. Am I? Yeah, are you sure? It's Joker on screen. Okay, good.
Why don't you tell people how we saw the Joker movie?
We saw the movie last night.
I think this may be why you don't have as many subscribers as me. Got some on the shirt by accident. Oh well.
Hold on.
Hold on.
What? No.
Remember when I dyed your hair when we were in school?
Yeah, and
Those videos got like over 1,000 views.
I know it did, which is why you owe me money now.
Oh, I didn't get paid shit.
That's okay. I was in your video. You owe me money.
Oh, okay. I owe my fiance money.
Yes. I don't speak about myself.
No, you just speak about other people's drama.
Yes. Don't you start some tea with me, girl.
He's playing with the screen. I can see that.
Boy, what are you doing? Don't touch that.
He's peeing.
Yeah, he's sitting right in the tripod
Yeah.
next to the legs,
Yep.
ready to knock it over at any point.
Yep.
See?
Hair. So, what? How do you think of your hair?
It's very nice, Joker green.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's really green on top, and then the back is Joker crazy. But you like it?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
You gonna pay me?
No.
That's rude. But I'm glad you like it. She's going after birds. Okay.
No, it's a bug. It's a flying bug.
Effie, it's the tiniest bug ever. Meow.
Oh, they were going after it over there earlier.
Trying to see if she's gonna jump at it again. Boy's checking it out.